Hello dear friends, welcome back to our Textile company. You're gonna be seeing some of the amazing concepts and collections of the silk variety, guys. Yeah, in the silk also, but rather than that, beside these, all the concepts you will be having at the print concept, guys. Yeah, at the print concepts, some of the newly beautifully concept was arrived in these kind of the beautiful boxes. See guys, how beautiful it was this. And apart from that, all you will be getting at the name of Sarees Textile Company only, guys. Yeah, guys, in each product we giving our branding, guys. That's what I have to say. We giving our branding, and apart from that, in the whole section will be there. In the whole section, the stocks are available here. See how beautifully the saree you will be getting here on the blouse, and this will be the pallu, and this will be the whole beautifully white zari work on the whole work of the saree, guys. See how beautiful it was this. And apart from that, next variety, guys. See the classic color combination of black and gold you will be getting here, guys. See how beautifully work artwork you will be getting here. And apart from that, this will be the concepts you will be getting here, guys. See how beautiful it was this. And guys, I have to say that these kind of the concepts in particular, this will be the blouse, guys. You have to getting here. See, this will be the blouse. All the concepts I am showcasing in today, that will be the extraordinary concept, guys. See how beautiful it was this. This will be the part in particular blouse you will be getting here, and this will be the pallu part you will be getting here. On the pallu you will be getting this kind of threading tassels also. See guys, how beautifully it wanna be having here. And this will be the whole concept of saree. See guys. And apart from that, guys, many of the varieties I'm gonna showcasing you. This all the varieties. See guys, with the beautifully heavy work concepts also you will be getting here. See guys, some of the heavy newly concept was arrived in today's concepts. See, these are the varieties. See, expectanal beautiful work concepts you will be getting here. See guys, these are the concepts which are highly preferred in the Maharashtrian region or the South region. You will be getting these kind of the variety, guys. See how beautiful it was this. And apart from that, in each variety you will be getting 6 to 7 different color shades, guys. See how beautiful it was this. This will be the concepts you will be getting here, guys. How beautiful it was this. See, on all those, one photo will be there. On those photos, the ranges, the concepts will be also giving there. See, and apart from that, if you coming another section concept, that will be also silk, but the above 700 concept, guys. Above 700 concepts you will be getting here. See guys, these are the some of the beautiful concepts in which, see guys, how beautifully the pallu will be here in these kind of the concepts. See guys, how beautiful. In these kind of the beautiful Swarovski stonework are also very beautifully attached here, and these kind of the heavy designs or work with the Swarovski work concepts you will be getting here, guys. And apart from that, we are having many of the sales executive persons are hired here, guys. Like all the language sales person, like Paras Malviya, it's gonna be hired for the Tamil, Kannada, and these kind of the South language sales executive person, English also. And apart from that, many of the concepts and many of the Bengali, apart from the Maharashtrian region, Haryana, Rajasthan, all the regional sales executive persons will be hired here. So no need to worry about the collections, guys. Many of the concepts you will be getting here. See guys, many of the varieties I'm going to showcasing in today's video. Having the screenshot and send to screen available number for the further details and inquiry. And guys, in our all sales executive persons, they will give you n number of PDF collections, guys. Photos in the form of PDF collections with particular range also. Today's concepts will be like something different, but if you want any of the concepts more, then you can subscribe our channel and visit our previous videos also. Give your precious comments and reviews and opinions and feedbacks in the comment section. Till then, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम।